Let me show you how to move the subtotals in your pivot table to the bottom of the section. Now, as you can see here, I have this breakdown made by department and by month, where I show the sum of the costs of salaries and bonuses. And I'd like for these values to be moved at the bottom of the section. Now, the way to do that is to simply click on your pivot table, and this will enable this two tabs over here, and simply go to the design tab, and right on the left on the subtotals button, click on it, and then pick the second option from over here, show all subtotals at bottom of group, and this will ensure that it will add another row that will calculate the total per department. So the subtotal for each individual department would be shown at the bottom. This is how to do it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you had any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.